Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 11th August 2026. In a bold move, retail investors invested a whopping rupees 18,000 crore in 6 blue chip stocks that were on a downward trend. They scooped up shares of Infosys, Reliance Industries, TCS, Wipro, HCL Technologies and ITC during the June quarter. While retail players flocked to these tech stocks, institutional investors were offloading their shares. The much-awaited Milky Mist Dairy Food IPO opened for subscription today, August 11th, giving investors a 3-day window to place their bids before the issue closes on August 13th. The Rs 1,553 crore IPO has already attracted investors' attention, with its grey market premium or GMP currently hovering around 15% above the upper price band of Rs 140 per share. If the trend continues, the strong GMP could indicate healthy listing potential for the stock. As September 30th approaches, 34 companies are hustling to roll out the initial public offerings to bypass further regulatory hurdles. The goal is to raise around Rs 45,000 crore from these offerings. Bankers remain hopeful amidst the market's unpredictable nature and tight time frame. Additionally, numerous other companies are planning their entries into the public offering landscape in the near future. In recent years, artificial intelligence or AI in India's real estate sector was largely confined to the customer-facing side of the business. Virtual property tours, chatbots answering buyer queries, personalized recommendations, and smarter digital marketing were among the first applications developers experimented with. That was the easy part. Now a much bigger shift is happening behind construction barricades, inside project offices and across boardrooms, where developers are increasingly relying on AI to decide what to build, when to build it, how much it will cost, and whether a project is likely to run into trouble long before delays begin to show up on site. The opportunity is massive. India's real estate sector is currently valued at $650 billion, projected to become a $5.8 trillion industry by 2047. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India or ICAI has opened the Multi-Purpose Empanelment Form or MEF for the 2026-27 period. Chartered accountants and CA firms can now apply for empanelment opportunities with various authorities including the RBI, NABARD and CRCS through the official MEF portal. It is crucial for applicants to read the advisory before submitting the details to ensure accuracy. The deadline for online submission is 29th August 2026. JLL Business Services has opened a Global Capability Center or GCC in Hyderabad, strengthening its operations in India and adding to the city's growing base of global capability centers. Telangana IT and Industries Minister D. Sridhar Babu inaugurated the facility, which spans 120,000 square feet across 2 floors at Prestige Skytech in the financial district. The center is JLL Business Services' second hub in India after Gurugram and is expected to create more than 1,600 high-skilled jobs over the next 2 years. The facility will support JLL's global operations through standardized processes and technology-enabled workflows. The new Global Capability Center or GCC model is increasingly smaller, leaner and engineering-led, with companies building specialized teams around AI and product engineering rather than focusing on scale and headcount. IT industry body NASSCOM's data shows more than 420 GCCs in India have parent firms with revenues of less than $100 million, pointing to the growing presence of smaller enterprises in the GCC ecosystem. A growing trend favors technology, product development, and niche capabilities. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.